but these are also the even number 6, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20. But boys, after first or second period the numbers will be odd. Suppose 6, after first round there will be 3. 10, after first round there will be 5. 12, after first round there will be 6, then in the next round there will be 3. 17, in case of 17 contestant, after first round there will be 7, and then what will you do? You cannot pair off. In case of 18 participants, after the first round there will be 9 teams or 9 individuals, then how can you pair off 9? After 20, चलो फर्स्ट राउंड में होके 10 आया, सेकेंड राउंड में 5, थर्ड राउंड में आप कर नहीं सकते हो, पेयर ऑफ कर नहीं सकते. सो इन दिस केस वी हैव टू गिव देम द बाई इन द वेरी फर्स्ट राउंड इट सेल्फ. इफ द नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेटिंग टीम इज 3 to 7, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेटिंग टीम फ्रॉम 8. अगर 7 पार्टिसिपेंट्स है तो 8 - 7. 6 पार्टिसिपेंट्स है तो 8 - 6, जितना होगा उतना को बाई देना पड़ेगा. If it is 9 to 15, we have to subtract from 16. If there are 9 teams, how many buys will be there? 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. If the number of participating team is between 17 to 31, we have to deduct the number of participating team, subtract number of participating team from 32, next higher square. And if the number of participating team is between 33 to 63, then we have to subtract the number of participating team from 64. Make it very sure. Suppose 14 teams are there. 14, ये इस सेगमेंट में आते हैं 14. तो आई हैव केप्ट 14 teams in a single vertical column. 7 teams are in the upper half and 7 teams are in the lower half. Clear boys? Then the number of buy. So if it is told earlier, if the number of participating team is between from 9 to 15, we have to subtract from 16. There are 14 teams. We have to subtract it from 16. There will be 2 buy. First buy is always given to the last team of the lower half, and the second buy is always given to the first team of upper half. तो देयर आर 2 बाइज. थर्ड बाई इज गिवन, अच्छा वो बाद में आते हैं हम. तो देयर आर 2 बाइज, आई हैव गिवन देम द बाइज. नाउ द टीम्स हु हैव गॉट बाइज बाई, दे विल प्रोसीड इन द नेक्स्ट हायर राउंड विदाउट प्लेइंग. टीम नंबर 1 and team number 14, they enter in the second round without playing. तो in first round 2 versus 3, 4 versus 5, 6 versus 7, 8 versus 9, 10 versus 11, 12 versus 13 and 14 बाई लेके चला गया. देन 2 के साथ 3 खेल के 2 आया. 4 versus 5, 4 comes, 4 wins. 6 versus 7, 7 proceeds in the next round. 8 versus 9, team number 8 proceeds in the next round. 10 versus 11, team number 11 comes out in the proceeds in the next round. 12 versus 13, team number 12 proceeds in the next round. And 14, 12 versus 13, 12 comes in the next round and 14 automatically got the bye. Then you see 1 next round में पहुंच चुका है बाई लेके. 1 बाई लेके पहुंच चुका है. 1 versus 2, then 4 versus 7, 8 versus 11, 12 versus this. In the next round, team number 1 automatically बाई लेके next round में चले आए हैं. 2 after winning has come. 4 after playing, 4 versus 5, 4 has entered. 7 has come after playing against 6. Team number 8 has entered in the next round after playing against 9. Team number 11 has entered in the next round after defeating 10. Team number 12 has entered in the next round after defeating 13. 1 और 14 पहले से है. Now 1 versus 2, 4 versus 7, 8 versus 11, 12 versus 14. Team 1 wins, team number 4 wins, team number 8 wins, team number 12 wins. These 4 teams are playing semi-final. Then 1 versus 4 and 8 versus 12. 1 versus 4, 1 proceeds in the next round. 8 versus 12, 8 proceeds in the next round, and final ultimately is played between 1 and 8. 8 becomes champion. ये चॉइस अपना हो सकता है. 10 वर्सेस 11 में हम 11 को दिया है, आप 10 को दे सकते हैं. 8 वर्सेस 9 हम 8 को जिताए हैं, आप 9 को दे सकते हैं. दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस, एंड फाइनली 8 बिकम्स चैम्पियन. सो याद रखने का चीज़ है, जब 6, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20 ये सब आएगा, if such number of participants are there, then we need to give them by, because after 2 or 3 rounds the number will be odd. Understood? Again we will discuss it.